How to check system type in Windows. Your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. I will show you 3 ways to check this. Please subscribe Geeks with Abhiii YouTube channel. Press Windows key and search for setting. Select System and now you can see your system type. Press Windows key and search for system information. Now you can see your system type. Press Windows key and search for this PC. Now click on Properties. Now you can see your system type. If this video helped you, please like the video and comment below.